Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your email address on your Steam account using the Steam app on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up the Steam application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and then click on Account Details. Under Account Details, scroll all the way down and look for Change My Email Address option under Manage Email Preferences. Tap on it and it will take you to your next step where you need to verify your email first. Tap on Email and Account Verification Code and then you'll receive a verification code to your current email address. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Steam support. Click it open, copy the code inside it. Get back to Steam app and paste in the verification code. Now click Continue. On the next page, you need to type in a new email address you want to change to. Type down a new email and then click on Change Email. You'll now need to verify the new email as well. Get back to your email service provider's inbox and open up the email from Steam support. This time you'll need to open up the new email inbox, copy the code, paste it inside the Steam app, and click on Confirm Email Change. Soon after you do that, you have changed your email address associated with Steam account. Click Continue and there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.